ओडिपीन बदल करून मायकल लोबो आणि ताच्या फामिलीन नागवे, पर्रा, कळंगूट आणि कानोळे वाठारांतल्या 27,000 चौकोन मिटरा परस चड जमनीचे बेकायदेशीर रूपांतरण जाल्ल्याचो पुरावो नगर नियोजन मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन मंगळारा उक्ताडार हाडलो। हे विशींचो अहवाल मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन मंगळारा सभापतीकूय दिलो। मायकल लोबो ओडिपीचो अध्यक्ष आसतना ताणें हे कारस्थान केल्ले असो आरोप नगर नियोजन मंत्री विश्वजितान केला। या सगळ्या घोटाळ्या विशीं नगर नियोजन खातें कोर्टान वतले अशें विश्वजितान सांगले। नगर नियोजन खात्याचे मुख्य सचिव आनी 2 IAS अधिकारी असो 3 जाणांचे समितीन हे विशींचो तयार केल्लो अहवाल विश्वजितान आयज पत्रकारांकूय दिलो।
ओनली कलंगूट कांदोलीम मागीर आरपोरा तो एरिया आनी वास्कोची एरिया घेतले ते सगळे Now in some area you may see only 10% is taken out. Some area it is close to 60%. Some area it is close to 45%. So overall it comes close to around 55-60% of the area that has been reverted. But also I want to bring to your knowledge that in lot of people's properties suddenly arbitrarily it was declared as no development slope. Suddenly it was declared as recreational area. Suddenly it was declared as a parking lot. These are in settlement properties of people of the state of Goa. I wonder where these people went to ask for justice. Regional Plan 2021 was made none other than Digambar Kamath, who was the former Chief Minister of the state, along with Edgar Rivero and Charles Correa and several other people. That is the base plan that had to be. No ODPs and PDAs don't have the power to revert anything that is there in the regional plan. They can only modify or do a new ODP based on a certain methodology that is adopted. So all these things had to be taken into consideration. So we have taken a decision that is final. The board has already ratified this report, and in addition, we will also file affidavit in court, like I said. So these properties will not be coming back. Nothing will be coming back. I have deliberately today not mentioned anybody's names because you are the media. You know everything. You know everything in Jiffy. You come to know in 5 minutes what is actually happened. Who was the chairman? What is what? But I am only sharing with you is the report letter issued by the 3 officers. जे कितें कायदो म्हणून कितें आसता न्ही, जे प्रॉपर्टीज प्रत्येक प्रॉपर्टीक आमचे टिमीन वचून विजीट केल्या, जे काही एक्टिविटी चालू जावंक ना ते सगळे रिवर्ट केल्ले आसा। तरी बी जर कोणाक दिसता ते येतले, पूण हांव पॅरलली कोर्टान एफिडेविट फायल करतलो, बाबा आमी अशें केलां, तुमी कितें आहा तें आमकां सांगा।